film me. Don't film me.
Why not? You're looking bummy. I'm looking bummy. Whoa, where are your freaking shoes at?
Damn. What they say about big feet?
Hey, you think it's gonna start?
Nope.
It's been sitting for how long?
Almost a month.
Almost a month. Oh!
That means you have no parasitic draws.
Damn!
Your steering wheel or your stereo right.
That's hilarious. Carbon fiber? No, it's not. Hey, so here, put this up. So that MR2 that we drove in with the supercharger, it's so much faster, dude. It pulls so much harder, dude. It pulls so much harder. I can't wait till I get that and just sell it that. That's why I got so pumped. I was like, fuck, let me go fix the Camry so I can pull this shit out already. Like, I really want it. Polish it. All right. I guess I didn't have to use the jump starter for this. So that's it. Lock it up. Move the car back a little bit because I didn't want the car getting a flat, the tires getting a flat spot. That's a big no-no because I did just buy these tires. That being said, I'm done here. So I came to move the Camry from where it's sitting. Like, the transmission still works and everything, but it just won't go past third gear. So it will shift third gear very hard. And then after driving it a while, when the transmission fluid starts heating up, that's when it starts slipping. So the transmission's done for. I'm not gonna mess with it, but what I came for was to double check to see what kind of axles the car has, because I was gonna buy axles for it, but they're showing me two different types of axles, and I was like, holy crap, which ones am I supposed to get? So I came and I checked that it's the ones that you bolt onto the transmission, not the ones that just pop in. I'll go ahead and post a picture of what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's it. I just came to look at this to see the axles on the transmission. Expect to see more videos of the Camry. I'm gonna get it back to stock, unfortunately, but as I said, I bought this car just for the supercharger and to flip it to make a quick buck, but it bit me in the ass, and now I gotta get it fixed because I feel like I'll still get more money even if I fix it up. So yeah, quick video. Didn't really have nothing to do today, but just this. Thank you guys for watching.